Welcome to our creative workshop. Today, we're diving into the world of unique wooden planters. If you love combining artistry with functionality, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of designing and crafting one-of-a-kind planters that will not only showcase your favorite plants but also serve as stunning decor pieces. From selecting the right wood and sketching your designs to adding artistic touches and planting, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started and unleash your inner artist. Here are some unique art ideas for wooden planters that combine creativity and functionality. 1. Animal-shaped planters, whimsical creatures. Create planters shaped like animals, e.g., rabbits, owls, or elephants, that bring a playful touch to any space. Insect-inspired designs. Design planters that resemble insects, such as ladybugs or bees, making them fun focal points in gardens. 2. Geometric planters, angular designs. Craft planters with sharp angles and clean lines, using a mix of wood types to create contrast and visual interest. Modular planters. Design interlocking geometric shapes that can be rearranged, allowing for customization in plant arrangements. 3. Hanging wooden planters, macrame and wood combos. Create hanging planters that incorporate wooden rings with macrame or rope, adding texture and height to your decor. Tiered hanging planters. Design multi-level hanging planters that cascade down. Perfect for trailing plants and creating a lush effect. 4. Carved and engraved planters. Intricate patterns. Hand carve or engrave detailed patterns or designs into the sides of the planter, making them visually striking. Personalized messages. Create planters that feature custom engravings or quotes, adding a personal touch to your gardening. Five. Tree stump planters, natural aesthetic. Use actual tree stumps as planters, preserving the natural bark and texture for an organic look. Hollowed designs. Hollow out stumps to create unique planter shapes that maintain a rustic charm. 6. Steampunk-inspired planters, industrial elements. Incorporate metal accents, gears, and pipes into wooden planters for a steampunk aesthetic that's both functional and artistic. Rustic finish. Use distressed wood paired with metallic elements to create a vintage look. 7. Vertical planters, wall-mounted designs. Create vertical planters that can be attached to walls, maximizing space while adding greenery to any area. Tiered stand planters. Design freestanding vertical planters with multiple levels. Perfect for small spaces or patios. 8. Cedar and resin combinations, resin inlays. Incorporate colored resin into wooden planters, creating beautiful marbled effects or patterns that enhance the wood's natural beauty. Transparent sections. Design planters with transparent resin panels that allow visibility of the plant roots, creating a dynamic visual element. 9. Planters with integrated lighting, illuminated planters. Create planters with built-in LED lights that highlight the plants, perfect for evening ambience. Glow-in-the-dark features. Incorporate glow-in-the-dark paints or materials into the planter design for a whimsical touch. 10. Functional sculptural art, interactive planters. Design planters that double as art pieces, such as sculptures that allow plants to grow through or around them. Kinetic planters. Create planters that incorporate moving parts, like spinning elements or adjustable heights, blending art with functionality. These unique wooden planter ideas not only enhance the beauty of plants but also add an artistic flair to indoor and outdoor spaces. How to make unique art ideas for wooden planters. How to make unique art ideas for wooden planters. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create unique art ideas for wooden planters. 1. Choose your wood. Select the type. Choose durable wood like cedar, redwood, or pine, which can withstand outdoor conditions. Consider texture. Look for wood with interesting grain patterns or colors for added visual appeal. 2. Design your planter. Sketch your ideas. Start with sketches of your desired shape, whether it's geometric, animal-shaped, or abstract. Incorporate functionality. Ensure your design includes drainage holes and adequate space for plants. 3. Gather materials. Basic supplies. You'll need wood planks, screws, wood glue, sandpaper, and a saw, hand saw or jigsaw. Artistic supplies. Gather paints, wood stains, carving tools, or resin if you plan to incorporate these elements. 4. Cut and assemble. Measure and cut. Measure your pieces according to your design and cut them carefully. Assemble the structure. Use wood glue and screws to assemble the planter. Make sure it's sturdy and secure. 5. Create artistic elements. Carving designs. Use carving tools to add intricate patterns or shapes to the sides of the planter. Engraving. Consider using a wood-burning tool to engrave personal messages or designs. 6. Add color and finish. Paint or stain. Use outdoor paint or wood stain to enhance the color of the wood and protect it from the elements. Resin applications. If incorporating resin, pour it into designed areas or over the surface for a glossy finish. 7. Incorporate lighting, optional. LED integration. Plan for small LED lights by drilling holes in the planter or using light strips around the edges. Solar lights. Consider adding solar-powered lights on top for an eco-friendly option. 8. Create unique features. Hanging elements. If designing hanging planters, attach sturdy hooks or macrame for a decorative touch. Tiered designs. For multi-level planters, ensure they're balanced and secure to prevent tipping. Nine. Planting. Choose your plants. Select plants that suit your planter's size and light conditions. Layering. Use a layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage, followed by potting soil. 10. Final touches. Seal the wood. Apply a weatherproof sealant to protect against moisture and UV damage. Add decorative items. Consider adding decorative stones, moss, or small figurines around the plants for extra charm. Tips for inspiration. Nature themes. Look for inspiration in nature, such as leaf patterns or animal forms. Local art. Visit local artisans or craft shows for ideas on combining functionality with artistic design. Online resources. Utilize platforms like Pinterest or Instagram for visual inspiration and tutorials. Creating unique wooden planters combines craftsmanship with creativity, resulting in functional art pieces that enhance your space. Enjoy the process and let your imagination guide you. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey. We hope you feel inspired to make your own unique wooden planters that reflect your personal style. Remember, the beauty of crafting is in the details, so don't hesitate to experiment and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting DIY projects and artistic ideas. Happy planting, and we can't wait to see your creations.